Hello. So what we're going to do in this video is learn how to multiply decimals but by whole numbers. So we've multiplied whole numbers by whole numbers, we've multiplied decimals by decimals, and now we're going to just do this little technique of how to multiply decimals by whole numbers. So if we look here at this example 1, 17.54 multiplied by 5. Now the way I'm going to do this is just write out 17.54 and then 5 down here. As you see, what I'm going to now do is draw our grid so that we can do the multiplication. Remember, we need to then put in the diagonals. Now, we just need to worry about how to put the decimal point. If you see, this is 17.54 and this is 5. What's going to happen is the decimal point here is just going to go straight down there. The decimal point will be between those two digits. The way that this will work will be is if you're multiplying a decimal by a whole number, if you write the decimal on the top of the grid and then the whole number down the side, then everything will be fine. That's the best way to do it. So then we do 4 times 5 will give us 20. 5 times 5 will give us 25. 7 times 5 will give us 35. 1 times 5 will give us 5. And now we count up the columns. 0. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. 0. So 17.54 times 5 is 87.7. Okay, now let's do another one. We're doing 23.28 times by 12. 23.28 times 12. Again, I'll just draw in our grid so that we can multiply properly. As you can see, again, I'm putting the decimal number along the top, and then we don't need to worry at all about the decimal point. And then our diagonals. So again, like before, you can see where the decimal point is, and we just follow that down. So the decimal point will be here. Fill in all the boxes. 2 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. 8 times 1 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 8 times 2 is 16. And now we add up all the columns. 6. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And then we carry the 1. 6 plus 0 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 0 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 0 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 0 is 7. 0 plus 2 is 2, plus 0 is 2, and then 0. So 23.28 times 12 equals 279.36. Okay.